The cosmos opens with swirling galaxies and vibrant nebulae dancing across the void. A field of distant stars twinkles against the dark canvas of the universe. A brilliant supernova erupts, flooding space with radiant light. Earth glows blue and white, seen from the far side of the moon. A mighty rocket stands ready on the launch pad, its engines humming. Engines roar as the rocket blasts off, fire and smoke trailing into the sky. The NASA emblem glows softly, suspended among the stars. Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, arcs across the night sky, heralding a new era. The tiny satellite spins, its radio beacons echoing the birth of space flight. The Saturn V rocket ignites, carrying Apollo 11 toward the moon. The lunar module descends gently onto the Sea of Tranquility. Neil Armstrong steps onto the moon, leaving the first human footprints in history. The American flag flutters in the low gravity of the moon. The International Space Station circles Earth, a beacon of collaboration. Astronauts conduct a graceful spacewalk, tethered to the station. The James Webb Telescope unfurls its golden mirror, reaching deeper into the cosmos. JWST captures a distant galaxy, unveiling ancient light. The Artemis rocket roars to life, poised to return humanity to the moon. Artemis lander touches down on the lunar South Pole, near a crater of light. New astronauts step onto the moon, poised for the next chapter of exploration. A next-generation rover cruises the rugged terrain of Mars, gathering priceless data. A distant exoplanet glows with sapphire oceans and swirling clouds around a twin star system. Alien worlds emerge, their strange continents bathed in neon auroras. Humans build a moon base, its domes glistening under Earth light. On Mars, colonists walk between towering habitats, the red sky stretching above. A sleek interstellar craft propels beyond the solar system, representing humanity's next frontier. The cosmic symphony fades, leaving a peaceful sea of stars to inspire future journeys.